Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Good evening, Manohar. Is my voice audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Can someone please confirm? Bhavana, good evening. Okay. So let us start today's session, guys. Sorry for the delay. So what we were discussing in the previous class, guys, we were discussing uh, forming numbers in permutation and combination. Okay. Just a second, guys. I have a small problem with the pen here. Just give me a second. One second, guys. Just give me a second. I'm just changing my pen here. Guys, 1 second, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to make you all wait. Just rectifying this mistake. There is a problem with the touchpad. Give me 1 minute, guys. We will start. Okay. Give me 1 minute. So please confirm that you guys are here. Please confirm in the chat box. Okay, guys. Let us start. Yeah, we are back. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for the delay. Let us see. So permutation and combination. In permutations, we started with the problems based on what? Numbers. Problems based on numbers. Okay. So when we were doing this, we lost the power the other day, and then we stopped that class. Let us continue from where we stopped. So what is the question? Using digits 1 to 9, how many 4-digit numbers which are multiples of 5 can be formed? Multiples of 5. 4-digit number means 4 places. 4-digit number means 4 places. Okay. And then we also have other condition. We also have other condition. What is the other condition? One second. What is the other condition we have here? The other condition what we have here is divisible by 5. Means what? My units place must be 5. My units place must be 5. Okay. Yeah. So I can fill this place in how many ways? What's happening with this? I can fill this place, units place in how many ways? Only one way. Okay. Yeah. This can be filled in only one way. Now check. Now check about the other places. Do I have any condition in other places? No. We have totally 9 digits. We used 1 digit. With repetition means I can fill the same place. I can fill the other places with the same digits as well. Means still I'll be having 9 digits here as well. 9 digits here as well. 9 digits here as well. So when we multiply 9 into 9 into 9 into 1, what do we get? 729. I'm repeating this one more time. Listen, we need to form 4-digit numbers, which means it should have 4 places. It must be divisible by 5. Means what? Units place must be 5 or 0. You know that. A number has to be divisible by 5 means units place must end with 0 or 5. But do we have 0 with us? No, we have only 1 to 9. So here my units place can be filled in only one way. Units place can be filled in one way. Now, so still totally 9 digits. I can fill this place in one way. Remaining all places we can fill it in 9999 ways because repetitions are allowed and we have 9 digits with us. So 9 into 9 into 9, 729. Am I clear with this question? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Everyone, everyone, please confirm in the chat box. Meanwhile, I'll type another question. Everyone must respond, guys, so that the class will be interesting. Okay. Now, let me write other question. So what do we have the other question? Let me say using good, excellent. Using the digits, let me say 0 to 9, 0 to 9 form 4-digit numbers. Form 4-digit numbers. This is the question. That's all, nothing else. Using digits 0 to 9 form 4-digit numbers. This is my next question. Now, you tell me, is there any condition in this question? Is there any condition in this question? We will do both the cases. One is without repetition and the other one is with repetition. Do I have any condition in the question or no? Good, Chandana. What is the condition here? Look, though we don't find any external condition, whenever 0 is there in the problem, the 0 itself acts as a condition. Why? I'll tell you. Observe. Look, 4-digit number means I can never say, can I call this as 4-digit number 0429? No, this is a 3-digit number. So what is the condition? My most significant place, that is thousands place, can never take 0 here. Thousands place can never take 0. So what can I do? So 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. I can't put a 0 in the thousands place. So I can fill this place in 9 ways. Now observe. Totally how many digits are there? 0 to 9, 10 digits. We used one digit here. We don't know which one. We could have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Okay, we used one digit. Out of total 10 digits, we used one digit here. Still 9 digits are available. That includes 0 as well. So in the second place, we don't have any condition. So I can use all the 9 digits here. Slightly confusing. I will repeat it. Don't worry. Stay with me. So 2 digits are used here. Still 8 digits are there. I can fill it in 8 ways. This I can fill it in 7 ways. That should be my answer. I'm repeating one more time. Observe. Totally 10 digits are there. In the thousands place, I can't use a 0. So still how many digits are there with me? 9 digits are there. 1 to 9. So I can put any of the digits 1 to 9 in the first place. So what? I can fill it in 9 different ways. Now totally out of 10 digits, I already used one digit. I don't know which one in the first place. Still 10 digits are available including 0. Now I can put 0 in other places. It means all remaining 9 digits are available. So this place can be filled in 9 ways. And the third place can be filled in 8 ways and this one is 7 ways. So if you multiply this, what do we get? 81 into, what is this? 56. 81 into 56. So what should be the answer here? 4,480 plus 530, 4,570. 4,500 and, I'm sorry guys. So 480 plus 50, 536. 536, 4,536. Yes, perfect answer, Manohar. 4,536. That must be my answer. Now, if I come here, observe. Once again, the condition is same. I cannot use 0. So I can fill it in only 9 ways. Totally, we have 10 digits. Now here, remaining places, I can use any of the digits. Repetitions are allowed means I can use all 10 in all the 3 places. So if I do this, I'll simply get 9,000 as my answer. Everyone, did you understand this question? Did you understand this question, everybody? Confirm in the chat box. Confirm in the chat box. Everyone. Good. Good. Let us take up another question. Suppose, let me write a question. Using digits, 4 to 9, form 4 digit even numbers. 4 digit even numbers. That is one question. I will take up one more question here. Using digits, why am I typing like this? Using digits 4 to 9, again, form 4 digit numbers. 4 digit numbers. 4 digit numbers. 4 digit numbers greater than 6,000. These are the two questions we have now. Let us start both of them. Let me increase the size. Yeah. Two questions. Let us work on both of them. Observe carefully. In the first question, what do I have? I want to form 4 digit numbers. 4 digit numbers. Using digits 4 to 9, we have to form 4 digit even numbers. Two conditions. One is without repetition and the other one is with repetition. Carefully here. Here as well, we will get without repetition and with repetition. Do we have any explicit condition in the first part? Yes, of course. What is that? We need only even numbers. So let us see. 4 digit number means 4 places. Here as well, 4 places. Now, what is the explicit condition in this question? Even numbers. So what did I tell you in the previous class? Whenever there is an explicit condition, always start from that particular place. Always start from that particular place. So where does my condition acting upon here? Can anybody tell me? Last digits should be even. Perfect, Chandana. Unit digit must be even. So here what can I put? I can put a 2. No, I cannot put a 2 here. Why? Because we don't have 2 with us. I can put 4, 6 or 8. That's all. I cannot use any other digits. So my units place can be filled in 3 ways. Which are those? 4, 6 or 8. I can fill it in only 6 ways. 3 ways. Totally how many digits are there? 4 to 9, 6 digits are there. We used one digit here. We don't know which one. Either we could have used 4 or 6 or 8, but I don't know. I used one digit. Out of total 4 to 9, 6 digits, we used one digit in the units place. Still we are left with the 5 digits and we don't have any condition in the remaining places. I can fill it in 5 ways. I can fill it in 4 ways. I can fill it in 3 ways. That's all. So what we get? 20, 60 into 30, we can get 180 numbers. We can form how many numbers? 180 numbers. I'm repeating. You want 4 digit even numbers. 4 digit means 4 places. Even numbers. Where is the condition acting upon? Units place. What should we get? The number has to be an even number. Means our units place must be even. So what is that? 4, 6, 8. I can put only 4 or 6 or 8. 3 ways I can fill it. Now I would have used one digit there. I don't know which one. I used one digit. Totally how many digits are there? 4 to 9, 6. We used one digit in units place. Out of 6, still 5 digits are left over. First place can be filled in 5 ways, second place 4 ways, third place 3 ways. Am I clear with this? Did you understand how to deal with the condition here? Did you understand, everybody? Confirm. Please confirm in the chat box. Everyone. Please confirm in the chat box. Okay, Prashant, how are you getting 375, buddy? We don't get 375 there. Check it out. Now look at this part. Here also I can fill it in only 4, 6, 8. That is 3 ways. Totally 6 digits are there. I can use all the 6 digits here. Why? Repetitions are allowed. Repetitions are allowed here. So totally what? 216 into 3. So that will be 648 numbers. 648 numbers. That is my answer. So that is the first question. Let us deal with the second question. What do we have? Now this time we want numbers greater than 6,000. Can anybody tell me where is the condition acting upon? Which position this time? Greater than 6,000 means where should we get the condition? Where should we apply the condition here? Anybody? Anyone? I'm waiting for your answer. Chandana, where is 6 to 9, buddy? Where is 6 to 9? Yes. Perfect. Good. First position. Good. So number has to be greater than 6,000 means my number should start with either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So my first place should be either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 thousands place. So I can fill it in 4 ways. I used one digit. Totally how many digits? 4 to 9, 6. We used one digit here. Which one we don't know. So still how many digits? 5. I can fill it in 5 ways. This is 4 ways. This is 3 ways. That's all. If I multiply this is how much? 20, 80, 240. How many numbers we get? 240. Perfect answer, Manohar. Now come to this. This is 4 ways. Repetitions allowed. 6, 6, 6. That's all. What do we get? 216 into 4. If I multiply 216 into my 4, what do I get? 864. Manohar, perfect answer. 864. Everybody, did you understand this? Did you understand these two questions? We will see one last question and a tricky question here. Everyone, everybody else, others. I want everybody to respond one time, whoever are watching. Whether you understood or not, everybody guys, everybody, don't let only 2 or 3 people dominate the session. Everybody must participate guys. If you participate, you will learn better guys, you will learn better. See, I can see only Prashant, Chandana and Manohar and sometimes Kusuma and one time Mamata, that's all. Darshan in the beginning, Bhavana in the beginning, but I didn't get any response yet again after that. And I want every one of you, like if you get 5 seconds time, please take it, minimize the screen and don't forget to like the video people. Take 1 minute time and please do like the video so that I will prepare the last question for you. Let me type the last question, and before that I want every one of you to like the video people, and if you did not still subscribe, please subscribe to the channel as well. Okay, so let me start this. Let me write the question. So what is it? Using digits, let's say 4 to 9, using digits 4 to 9, form 4 digit even numbers, greater than 6,000. Now observe this carefully. What do we have here? What is the change in this question? Can anybody tell me? What is the change in this question compared to the previous question? Can anybody tell me? What is the change in this question compared to previous question? Using digits of 4 to 9, form 4 digit even numbers, greater than 6,000. Okay, now what is it? 2 conditions. Very good. So we will do 2 ways here again. 2 cases we'll get. So what are the cases? One is without repetition and the other one is with repetition. Now you tell me, what did I tell you earlier? Whenever there are 2 conditions, whenever there is an explicit condition, always start from the place where the condition is acting upon. But this time 2 conditions are there. You tell me, where should I start from? Look, first condition, what does it say? Even number means I should have even digits here. Those are 4, 6, 8. And here what is it? 6, 7, 8 or 9. Tell me, which place should I start with? Thousands place or units place? You tell me guys, anybody. Thousands place or units place? Anybody? Even condition. Kusuma says even and Chandana says even condition. Acha. Let us see what happens if I start from here. I can fill it in 3 ways. Now, I have 4, 6, 8. I could have used any one digit there. Here people think it is 4 ways, and that's the mistake. Wrong. Why? I'll tell you. Imagine here 4, 6 or 8. If I had already used 4 here, I forget about it. Here all the 4 ways. Let us say not like this. Just give me a second. I'll make you understand. Observe. If I have used a digit 4 here, if I used a digit 4, I can fill it in 3 ways. Let it be like this. I'm talking about digits now. Observe carefully. If I use a digit 4 here, all the 4 digits are available here. I can fill it in 4 ways. Not a problem. If I use a digit 6 here, I can't use a 6 anymore here. So I can fill it in only 3 ways. Observe carefully. But do we know which digit we are using? Exactly which digit we are using in the units place, 4 or 6? We do not know. In the units place, if I have used 4, In thousands place, all the 4 digits 6, 7, 8, 9 are available. I can fill that place in 4 ways. I can fill that place in 4 ways. But in if in the units place, if I had used a digit 6, I cannot fill it in 4 ways. Here I can fill it in only 3 ways, but because I cannot use a 6 anymore. I cannot use a 6 anymore. So I cannot start from units place. I cannot start from units place. So then what happens if I try to start from thousands place? Exactly same problem will come. Observe. I fill it in 4 ways. But here I do not know how many ways. I'll tell you later why. Observe. Suppose if I used a digit, I used a digit 9 here, 7 here, no problem. I can fill it in 3 ways. All 3 are available. I can fill it in 3 ways. Suppose if I use a digit 8 here, I cannot use 8 anymore here. I can fill it in only 2 ways. But here we don't know which digit we will be using. So we cannot tell whether we get a 3 ways or 2 ways in the units place. So once again, same problem. Are you understanding why I cannot start from either of the places here? We cannot start from either units place or tens place. Did you understand the issue here? Why we cannot start from any particular place? Did you understand, everybody? Everyone? What is it? Chandana says, even if you fill in 2 ways or 1 way, it is even only. It will be even only, Chandana, no problem. But you will be missing other number, right? Look, if you fill it in only 2 ways, in another way you can fill it in 3 ways. But you don't know which one is right. You don't know which one is right, which is the actual possible answer. You don't know that. That's why it goes wrong. Yes, of course you'll get even numbers only, but the count will not be the proper count. So what we have to do in these cases, observe. Cases. Split them into cases. Observe. Okay, perfect. Case 1. What we will do, first we will deal with all the numbers ending with 4. Next we'll deal with all the numbers ending with 6. Next we will deal with all the numbers with 8. Think about it. We can get numbers ending with 4 or 6 or 8. That's all. 4 or 6 or 8. Agree? I'm splitting the case. I'm splitting one case here. Now what happens? Observe. Look. I used a digit 4 here. It means I can fill it in only one way. It means here all the 4 digits are available. I can fill it in 4 ways. So now 2 places are filled. 1 digit in the units place, 1 digit in the tens place. Still how many digits are there? 4 to 9, 6 digits. We used 2 digits. Still 4 are there. I have no conditions in the other places. Still 4 digits are available. I can fill it in 4 ways. I can fill it in 3 ways. So this is what we get. What do we get here? 16 into 3, 48 numbers we get. So what does this 48 mean here? We can form 48 numbers greater than 6,000, which are greater than 6,000, which are ending with 4. Let us look at the second case, case 2. Case 2. Now we will calculate only the numbers ending with 6. It means I can fill it in one way. Now careful. Now careful. Which are available here? Only 7, 8, 9. Why? 6 is already used. We cannot use it. So I can fill it in 3 ways. I can fill it in 3 ways. Now come here. How many digits are used? 2. 1 in units place, 1 in thousands place. Out of 6 digits, 2 are used. Still 4 are available. I can fill it in 4 ways. I can fill it in 3 ways. So what do we get? 12 into 3, 36 numbers. Finally, numbers ending with 8. Ending with 8 means unit digit will be only 1. Now coming here, I cannot use 8 anymore here. I can use only 6, 7, 9. Means I can fill it in 3 ways. 2 digits used, 1 in units place, 1 in thousands place. Still 4 digits are available. I can fill it in 4 ways. I can fill it in 3 ways. Once again, we will get 36. Or means what? Add. Or means add. When we add all the numbers, what do we get? Totally how many numbers we'll get? So this is 70, 100, 12, 120 numbers. What do we get? Am I right? Yes, 120 numbers we can form. This is the final answer. Did you understand this now? Now tell me, did you understand this question or not? Tricky question, tricky question. But we should know that we should split the cases. Now, can anybody tell me what is the other way of solving the same problem? What is the other way of solving the same problem? Anybody, anybody? Other way of solving the same problem. I'm waiting for your answer. Anyone, other way of solving the problem. Just think about it. Just think about it. What I did, what else can be done? What else can be done? Anyone? Nobody? Okay. Look. Which condition did we split into cases? Units place. We split units place. Units place. So how did we do that? Numbers ending with 4 or 6 or 8. Now think and tell me. How else I can? Fixing the first position and changing the last position. Very good, Manohar. I can fix the first position, means 4 cases we'll get. How? We can deal with something like this. Numbers beginning with 6 or beginning with 7 or beginning with 8 or beginning with 9. We will get 4 cases there and definitely you will get the same answer. Am I clear now? Am I clear now, everybody? Am I clear? Let me know. Let me know. Yes, perfect, perfect. Now the final one, observe. This is pretty easier. I can fill in 3 ways, I can fill in 4 ways. We need not to take cases. Why? This is with repetition. This is what? With repetition. So what happens in with repetition? Even though I used 1 digit here, I can repeat the same digit here as well. Any repetitions are possible. But here the first place can be filled in only 4 ways, second place can be filled in 3 ways. Here I can fill it in 6 ways, here I can fill it in 6 ways. So what we get here? So this is a 24 into 18. So that will be 360 plus 72. That will be 432 numbers. We can form 432 numbers. With the repetition, you will never face an issue, guys. Issue starts from only without repetition. Okay, everybody, did you get this now? Did you get this now? So that is all about forming numbers. So see, where did we start forming numbers? Different ways. We started here problems on arrangement. We started with the forming numbers, okay. So next section will be what? Next section, another interesting concept here. Another interesting concept. What is it? Arranging people. Arranging people. Okay. Observe. Another interesting concept, arranging people. How do we get questions on this? Okay, there'll be different cases here as well. Observe. There are. So what about forming words? Chandana, after arranging people, we will do forming words. After arranging people, you will get forming words. Okay. So forming words, I want to spend one complete class on arranging people, one complete class on forming words. Because look, PNC is a very big topic, guys. PNC is a very big topic. Here, I want to teach you guys as many cases as possible. So that whatever be the kind of the question you get in the exam, you should not fumble there. I'm going to take you to the very high level of questions here. Okay, numbers, this is sufficient. Still I can take you here to the higher level in the numbers, but this is sufficient for you in the numbers. But in the arranging people and forming words, yes, there will be tricky questions. All the types we will see. We will start from arranging people. Okay, so start with, let us say there are 3 people and 5 chairs, or let's say there are 5 people and 3 chairs. 5 people and 3 chairs. And 3 chairs. How many ways we can arrange 5 people in 3 chairs? That will be the question. How many ways we can arrange 5 people in 3 chairs? Observe. 3 chairs means 3 places. How many people are there? 5 people are there. If I want to fill the first chair, I can fill it in 5 different ways. Now one person will be sitting here. We don't know who it is. It doesn't matter for us. Still 4 people are there. I can fill it in 4 ways. I can fill it in 3 ways. That's all. So how many ways we can fill 3 chairs with 5 people? Exactly 60 ways. Exactly 60 ways. Now, suppose if I change the question in this way, how many ways we can arrange 3 people in 5 chairs? 3 people in 5 chairs. A different version of a similar question. Observe carefully. Now you cannot take 5 chairs here because there are only 3 people. Either you can fill these 3 chairs, or you can fill these 3 chairs, or you can fill these 3 chairs, or you can fill, these 2 and this. So we do not know that. So what, this is not possible. We cannot do this. So how do we do? How do we do? Observe. How do we look at this problem? Okay. Imagine there are 3 people standing outside. There are 3 people standing outside. When the first person comes inside, how many chairs are available for him? 5 chairs are available for him. He can sit in how many different ways? He can sit in 5 different ways. He can sit in 5 different ways. Now, when the second person comes, still how many chairs are available? 4 chairs are available. He can sit in how many ways? 4 different ways. When the third person enters the class, still 3 chairs are available. He can fill it in 3 ways. So what do we get? Exactly, once again, we can arrange 3 people in 5 chairs in 60 ways. I'm repeating this point one more time. Listen to me carefully. What is the question here? There are 5 chairs, but there are only 3 people. What is happening? 5 chairs are inside the classroom. 3 chairs are waiting outside the classroom. When the first person comes inside, 5 chairs are available for him. He can sit in 5 different ways. He can sit in 5 different chairs. Now one chair is occupied, still 4 chairs are available. When the second person comes inside, he can sit in 4 ways. Now he can sit in 3 ways. That is my answer. That is my answer. Okay. Now observe what is happening here. Here we are assign people to chairs. Assign people to chairs. Here what are we doing? Assign chairs to people. This is the only difference. Look, simple point. Whichever is greater in number, assign it to the whichever is smaller in number. Now, observe. Suppose now if I talk about there are 3 people and 3 chairs. You can do in whichever way you want. Look, observe. What will I do? 3 people, 3 chairs means how many ways we can arrange 3 people, 3 chairs. 3 chairs are there. First chair can be filled in 3 ways. One person is sitting here. Second chair filled in 2 ways. Third chair 1 ways. So what is the answer? 3 factorial, which is nothing but 6. Imagine if I do it in other way. 3 chairs are inside. 3 people are standing outside. When the first person comes inside, he will have 3 chairs. He can sit in 3 different ways. When the second person comes inside, the 2 chairs are empty. He can sit in 2 ways. Third person, 1 way. Once again, we will get exactly 3 factorial, which is nothing but 6 is the answer. Now you tell me, what will be the answer if I give you in this way? There are 4 people, 4 chairs. 4 people, 4 chairs. What will be the answer? Anybody? You try and tell me the answer. 4 people, 4 chairs. How many ways we can arrange? How many? 4 factorial. That is nothing but 24 ways. Okay. Suppose if I tell you 5 people, 5 chairs. 5 people, 5 chairs is what? 5 people, 5 chairs. What will be the answer? 5 ways. That's all. 6 people, 6 chairs. 6. Now, are people, are chairs. Are people and are chairs is nothing but r factorial. Recall, I told you in the beginning. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by r factorial? I told this in the first class of permutation and combination. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by r factorial? What do you mean by r factorial? See, in NCR and in NCR will be having n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by r factorial? Anybody, anybody, anybody? Good, Chandana. Very good. Excellent, guys. Manohar. Only arrangements. R factorial means only arrangements. Let me tell you why it is only arrangement. Because here we don't have a problem of a selection. 4 people, 4 chairs. Nobody is extra, nothing is extra. So you need not to select. But in the previous case, observe 5 people, 3 chairs. I cannot put all the 5 people in 3 chairs. I need to select which 5 people, which 3 people. So I have to select 3 people for 3 chairs and then arrange them. So what is that? That is selection and arrangement. Look at the previous problem. Previous problem. Observe previous problem, everyone carefully. What we had? 5 people and 3 chairs. What we got here? We got the answer as 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. 60 we got. We have the another way of doing this. You can directly use NPR. NPR, which is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here n value is 5 and r value is 3. If I do this 5 factorial by 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. Again you will get 5 into 4 into 3, 60 answer. 2 ways. Another way. Another way of solving the same question. Observe. First we need to select 5 people. I cannot put all the 5 people in 3 chairs. I need to select 3 peoples. How do we select 3 people out of 5 people? 5C3. Select. Now you selected 3 people. Once you select, you have to arrange them. You selected 3 people, for them 3 chairs. 3 people, 3 chairs can be arranged in 3 factorial. So what is this? This is a selection and this is arrangement. 3 people, 3 chairs is nothing but arrangement. So this is what a selection and arrangement. If you do this, still you will get the same answer 60. Nothing changes because 5C3 value is a 10 into 3 factorial is 6. See, you will get exactly 6. 3 different ways. So this is a method 1. Observe. This is a method 1. This is a method 2. And this is a method 3. Now, I will not be using a method 2 anywhere. I won't be using anywhere. We use either method 1 or method 3. You will understand in the future problems why I am doing that. Why I am doing that, you will understand that later. Okay, everyone, did you understand? Did you understand the concept? Did you get the clarity here? Did you get the clarity here? Everybody, please do respond. Why this is selection and arrangement? Why this is selection and arrangement? Because availability is more than the requirement. This is selection and arrangement. Okay, Manohar. This is only arrangement. Think about it. When do we get only arrangements? When look at this part. Availability is equal to the requirement. It will be only the arrangement. But here availability is more than requirement. For 3 chairs we need only 3 people, but we have 5 people. So now we need to select which 3 people we want. So that's why we get selection and arrangement. Okay, so first look at in the third method. If you didn't understand, we have only 3 chairs. In 3 chairs, we can put only 3 people, but we have 5 people. So I need to select 3 people out of 5 people. How many ways I can select 3 people out of 5 people? I see 3 ways. Now we selected 3 people. And for them, we have 3 chairs. 3 people can be arranged in 3 chairs in 3 factorial ways. 3 people in 3 chairs. See, 4 people, 4 chairs, 4 factorial. 5 people, 5 chairs, 5 factorial, 6 people, 6 chairs, 6 factorial, and R people, R chairs, R factorial. We already selected 3 people. In how many ways? 5 see 3 ways. Now we have only 3 people with us. For them, 3 chairs are there. So we can arrange them in only 3 factorial ways. Selection, 5 see 3 ways. Arrangement, 3 factorial ways. So selection and arrangement, we will get 60 ways. Am I clear, Manohar, now? Am I clear with this problem? Did you understand this method, Bari? Please confirm. Third method. Yes, excellent. So this is the basics for arranging people. So tomorrow we will see different cases. One second, just give me a second. Okay. So still, what all the different cases we will get here? What all the different cases we'll get here? We will see problems on no condition. We'll see problems on no conditions. Observe. Just a second. Types of problems that we come across here. Okay. So alternate positions. People sitting in alternate position. Alternate positions. And still we'll get people sitting together. What is that? Sitting together. Next, we will get no 2 people sitting together, or no 2 boys, or no 2 girls. It can be anything. No 2 people. No 2 people sitting together. Okay. And fifth one, miscellaneous. What do we have? Miscellaneous. So there will be 5 different types of the problems in arranging people. Okay, so that we shall discuss in tomorrow's class, because now if I start here, I could continue still for another 15-20 minutes, but I cannot what do I say, finish. I cannot finish the topic here. We will be stuck in between. You have to learn all these. Actually, this one is not that important because we have already seen examples for that. But these 4 are pretty important, guys, and you have to learn them together. You have to learn them together. Only then you will get the clarity. You'll get the clarity. So that's why we will continue these 4 and we will finish them in the tomorrow's class. If time permits, we will start problems on forming words as well tomorrow. Okay, everyone, did you understand today's class? Did you understand today's class, everybody? Please confirm, guys. If you like today's class, do not forget to like the video, people. See, number of likes are not equal to the number of viewers. I request everybody, if you like my teaching, if you like my concepts, and if you like my content, so please click on that like button. Okay, please click on that like button. And if you still did not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe as well, and tell your friends about this content. Yes, and one more important point, just to hold on, just to hold on. Yeah, test series is available now. Test series is available. Please start taking the test. Where do you find? Once you open the app, there will be three buttons. Click on it here. Click on it, you will see something called free tests. Free tests. Here, chapter wise test papers we have started. So we started with the time, speed and distance. We will give you 5 tests on time, speed and distance, and then time and work, and then percentages, permutation and combination, probability. For every single topic, guys, you will be getting the test papers. Okay, so this is the update which I had to do in the previous class, which I could not, about the test series. Okay, next update is about Python classes. Python classes. So Python classes, people, starts from October 4th. October 4th. Okay. So what I will be covering? We will be covering complete core Python and advanced Python. Core Python and advanced. Okay. So basically both are same. Everything is Python itself, except frameworks. So we will cover entire Python, guys. Okay, so I will try to cover in 150 hours, but I'm not sure whether we can do it in 150 hours. Okay, so usually it takes more than 150 hours, people. So that's why I told you 150 plus hours. One thing I can assure you, people, if you attend this course, trust me, you can easily master programming. Because now you take any company, people, in the technical interview, they will give you the options: Java, Python, C, C++, 4 options they will give you. You can use any of them. Do not worry about which language you are using. Worry about the logic. Now, why I selected Python, why not Java? When I start the classes, you will understand. Why I am going with the Python. I will clearly mention in the very first class, that is on the October 4th, 7 p.m. Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Okay, this is when the Python classes will start, people. Okay, so every day we will have 2 hours of session, 1.5 to 2 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay, so based on the date and my schedule as well. So the course duration will be 3 months. Within 3 months, we have to finish this. Okay, so let us see. It might take a plus or minus 1 month. It will be plus month or plus only, but I'm still writing this. And we will make sure we will do at least 2 projects. And I won't do the projects, people. I can only help you doing the projects. I will guide you across to do the projects. Okay, so now this will definitely help you, people, with any kind of the program. Now we just not work on the Python programming, rather we work on interview based questions as well. When we start learning programming in Python, let us say, for when we are dealing with input and output functions, what kind of the interview questions that we can expect from this? So if you are learning operators, what kind of questions they can ask in the interview? So like it can be, arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, whatever it is. So any topic that we learn there, we will make sure we will even discuss what kind of the interview questions they can ask. So is this no, Chandana, it is not internship, buddy. This is a course which I am launching. Now I'm not gonna give this course for free, people. This course is a paid course, and the cost is rupees 500. I wanted to give this for free, actually. I wanted to do this for free, but you have seen People take it granted if I give it for free. They don't attend properly. Anyways, it is free. Okay, we can do it whenever we want. No, no, it cannot be like this, because see, this is what happening in the Java classes, and this is what happening in the verbal and aptitude classes. People, when we give it for free, people don't take it seriously. So this is the reason why I kept this 500. I kept this 500 plus it will be GST. So, or GST, or I can call it as a taxes, plus taxes, that might come up to 570 or 580 rupees, people. Okay, so Java classes are interesting, I know, Chandana, but look, as I told you, people, those are paid classes. I have to pay the trainers. I have to pay the trainers. Just if I'm getting 15-20 people for every class, can I get, get the trainer, paid trainer, and give the free classes? I cannot. If there are at least 40-50 people are attending every day, that's not a problem for me. I can bear the expenses and I can bring the trainer. But if there are only 15-20 people, guys, how can I do that? But still, anyways, this Saturday I will give you guys Java class, and that will be the last class. If I see the depreciation in the strength, and we won't be continuing the Java classes, people. Now don't worry about that. Whatever the programming skills you need, I will make sure that we will cover them. We will cover them in the Python classes, guys. Python classes, look, it will be a full-fledged class. It will be a full-fledged class. As I told you, it will be more than 150 hours, and you can understand what is the level of the content that we will be providing here. So there will be first 10 days. First 10 days will be demo classes. Everybody can attend for free. If they like it only, then they can go for the paid version, guys. So after, from the 11th day onwards, it will be paid classes. From 11th day onwards, it will be paid classes. That is, students have to pay 500 rupees and purchase the course. Okay, so this is the complete detail, and my sincere request from you. So please share among your friends. I will send the link in the, I will send the photo, or okay, I will send the photo of the details in WhatsApp, Telegram, as well as in the app. So please share them among your friends, and if you can put it for a status, put it as a status in your WhatsApp for a day, that would be a great help from your side, people. And you can share the if anybody asks, if any students are interested, you can share them our app link, guys. You can share them our app link. Okay, so this is my request. So can I expect a few references from your side, people? Can you please do refer it to your friends? Everyone, can you please do refer these Python classes to your friends? Yes. Okay, thank you, guys. So that is all from my side. Do you and as I told you, in the app, if the students, any of you still don't have the app, people, you can find the app link in the description in every single video. Even in this, below this video, in the description, you'll find the app link. In the app, go to batches. In the batches, there will be a plus sign. On that, use a batch code. It will ask for batch code. Use a batch code Python 2021. You can tell your friends the same thing, Python 2021. That is where they can join the Python batch called Core Python. Okay, that is all from my side, people. That is all from my side. Okay, we shall stop here. We shall continue in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we'll finish that arranging, people, and we'll try to start forming words as well. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Not a problem. Any doubts, anybody? Any doubts, anyone? Thank you, Chandana. Thank you, Prashant. So if there is no doubt, people, we'll stop here. We'll meet later again. We'll meet later in tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful night ahead. Take care, everybody.